Even in the spotlight, personal challenges can cast a shadow. Jonathan Van Ness, beloved star of Queer Eye, is confronting allegations of workplace abuse head-on. 3 months after a damning Rolling Stone article, Van Ness opens up about the turmoil and introspection sparked by the controversy. Join us as we delve into their candid revelations on the June 27th episode of the Table Manners podcast. Jonathan Van Ness, known for their uplifting presence on Queer Eye, addressed allegations of abusive behavior surfaced in a recent Rolling Stone expose. Reflecting on the impact of the article, Van Ness revealed that the news coincided with a vulnerable period, notably following the sale of their hair care line, JVN Hair, and other career milestones. Despite financial stability, the timing was emotionally challenging. During the Table Manners podcast, Van Ness acknowledged the article's claims while maintaining they were largely untrue and misrepresented. They candidly admitted moments of stress and imperfection throughout their career, acknowledging times when personal challenges affected their interactions on set. Returning for Queer Eye Season 9, alongside castmates Anthony Carton and newcomer Jeremiah, Van Ness emphasized the importance of self-acceptance and personal growth. They shared insights into learning to manage stress and process emotions more effectively, fostering a deeper understanding of themselves amidst public scrutiny. In conclusion, Jonathan Van Ness's journey through fame underscores the resilience required to navigate personal and professional challenges. Their candid reflection on the Rolling Stone article serves as a reminder that even icons of positivity face moments of introspection and growth. As they continue to champion self-acceptance, we look forward to their return to Queer Eye, embodying the spirit of compassion and authenticity. That wraps up today's discussion. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more updates. Until next time.